Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox Tycoon. Begin by opening Roblox Studio and creating a new baseplate experience. Understanding the interface and primary tools will be your first step in building any game. Familiarize yourself with the Workspace, Explorer, and Properties windows. These areas are crucial for placing objects and configuring their attributes within your game world. The heart of any tycoon is its resource generation. You will script droppers to produce items, perhaps one every 2 seconds, which players collect for currency. Then, design purchase buttons that, when clicked, spend player money and spawn new building parts. Ensure these buttons are clearly visible and intuitively placed for ease of use. This core loop drives player engagement and provides a sense of progress. Integrate upgrade functionality, enabling players to improve dropper speed or resource value, for instance, by 10% with each upgrade. Construct a clean user interface that clearly shows player currency, available upgrades, and purchased items. Most importantly, implement a robust data saving system using Data Store Service. This ensures players never lose their hard-earned progress, maintaining their investment and enjoyment in your game. Rigorous testing is essential. Play through your game multiple times, checking every button and every interaction. Fix any errors or glitches that you discover. Invite a few friends or community members to playtest and provide honest feedback on difficulty or enjoyment. Once your game is polished and performing optimally, you can officially publish it to Roblox, making it available for millions of players worldwide to experience your creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.